Hello, young and vibrant content creators all over the world. I just want to let you know that YouTube actually pays people depending on how hard working you are. Failure to be hard working on YouTube, you might not get that fast paycheck. For you to get fast paycheck, you are supposed to be consistent in terms of producing good quality videos in your channel. Don't just take videos randomly without any form. You're supposed to come up with good videos which can entice people in terms of subscribing to your channel. Many people think that they can just wake up early in the morning and then you become successful on YouTube. My answer is it might help you or not. But what we're supposed to do most importantly here is for you to be consistent in terms of publishing videos. There are those who can post just one video like this and then it goes viral. It accumulates more views, even up to 1 million and above. However, such kind of chances are so minimal. So for you to be on a safe side, you are supposed to produce videos which are of good quality. Now, I have 3 important stages that I have observed as a content creator on YouTube, so that once you pass through all those 3 stages, you can be able to keep earning money on YouTube from time to time. Now, first stage as a content creator on YouTube is you are supposed to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Having met all those particular YouTube minimums, apply for YouTube monetization. So once you have applied and you're accepted as a YouTube partner, then from there you will be required to monetize your videos. All the videos that you have published on YouTube from day 1 up to the time you are monetized. Turn on monetization, and then from there they will begin to earn money for you. That is stage number 1. Stage number 2 is once you reach a minimum of $10, you will be required to validate, to confirm the address. In confirming the address, it means that they will send you the PIN in the address that you have provided when you are applying for monetization. And once they have sent you the PIN, it means that you will go to your poster and then you pick that PIN. You come and verify the address. Now, after verifying the address, you will be required to wait for another process of confirming the tax information. That is stage 2. Now, stage 3 is for you now to start receiving payments. Now, having done all the 3 stages as I have mentioned, which means once you hit $100 or 70 euros, it means that now you will start to get your first paycheck into your bank account. Suppose you have put a bank account as a mode of payment or wire transfer, which means YouTube will automatically send you the money into your bank account once you reach 100 US dollars or 70 euros. Without reaching that threshold, it means that your amount that you have accumulated there will be on wait until the time you will be able to reach all those requirements so that you can be able to receive the money. And once you have said all that, you have passed through all that, the 3 stages, it means that now you are a successful YouTuber. Now it is time for you to keep creating content, publishing good content so that you can get extra cash. Let me tell you one thing. There are people who have a motive of saying that once they open a YouTube channel, they automatically begin to earn money. It's not like that. You have to pass through all those 3 stages as I have mentioned. I'm also a content creator, and I'm telling you out of experience. Those are the 3 stages that I have observed very keenly depending on my channel. So to get more views, you need to come up with good content that people will super glue on it. They keep watching from time to time, they keep accumulating views from time to time, so that at the end of the month you'll earn your pay. There are people who are surviving on YouTube, people are paying their bills out of YouTube, and many other things. So if you want to be successful, just do as I have said, and trust me, the rest shall be history.